Hello, welcome to Upcycle Art Journals. I am getting ready for the craft fair that starts tomorrow, and I thought I would take you along as we look and see what kind of goodies I have to show. I have a lot of the file folder journals, the Tim Holtz. So there's all different colors, and everything is all packaged, ready to go. All of them have the guest check. They all have a charm on the end. And I do have one in the front that people can flip through and kind of see what's in it. Of course, any of the ones, if they have an interest in, this specific one, they're welcome to open it up and look at it. And I will bring extra things to put them in if I have to. Chances of rain are usually pretty good at this, and it's an outdoor event. We have Raggedy Ann and our butterflies. Got some ladies on it. And then these ones with the town gossip ladies, those were too cute to not do. We have some cute little unicorn ones. We have some Americana ones. And we have the Christian ones with a complimentary Jesus. And we also have these file ones. We have Wedding and Alice, which I'll probably put with the other Alice. I think those are all Alice. Now this one here, these are cards, greeting cards, and this tends to be really my bestseller on Etsy. These are just adorable. I'm going to put in a sample one of those too, so that we can kind of see, what they look like, and not everyone would have to be open. And then I have my sewing pattern journals, and I have a sample one there, but they are all packaged, ready to go with all their ephemera in them. So that will be a fun display. Then I have these little small journals. They're all just going to be probably $5. They have papers in them, a little bit of ephemera. They all have a charm. They all have a clip on the side. There's rabbits. There's floral. There's cats. Or floral. So just, if somebody isn't, they just want a little thing, I want a variety. That's a big thing to have, is having a variety. So, your lower cost item, your middle cost item will probably be these type of things. And then I have some of my actual junk journals. So I'm kind of in a small town, and the last time I did a craft fair, maybe last Christmas, junk journals were not something anybody was really familiar with. So I will have, some of these ones that I've had on Etsy that I pulled off of Etsy, that will be displayed on the table. I'm probably going to use this suitcase to put the vintage ones in. I like just having that vintage look. I do have this fun retro sheet that I'm going to put down for the sewing journals. So kind of one of the tables will be for more of the retro, and then the other table will be for the vintage. And then we have some tablecloths for that. And then I have my Alice books. I just have 2 more I need to finish. Those ones are all stuffed, ready to go. I have these 2 that I need to just put the things in. So I think we're pretty well set. I decided not to do any kind of Christmas stuff this year. It's 100 degrees. It's not Christmas time yet, although I'm going to definitely have to move into that as soon as we're done with this. So these are the cute, but just a little gift, something to give as a gift, to have for yourself. These kind of things have a lot of vendors, so having a variety of things is going to be super good. So that's what I'm taking to the craft fair, and I will be sure to do a video to show when we're all set up and what that all looks like. But I just wanted to give you a little glimpse of the process of getting ready for a craft fair. So I hope you have a great rest of your day, and join me again soon while we upcycle some more things.